This is a Rufus-sided or spotted towhee. It's not focusing very good. There we go. Rufus-sided towhee, which I just rescued from one of my cats. Unfortunately, it might be the one that was caught in my house a few days ago. This is not focusing good. It's dark out here. And, yeah, now that doesn't have any tail feathers. So I'm going to walk it down here and release it. Hopefully it can survive away from the cats. Poor little thing. It's pretty strong. It has beautiful red eyes, kind of. I have that scratch from when I was trying to get the cats out of the house the other day, and Pantera's, I think it was her back leg, something scratched me. Look at him, he's struggling, he's almost free.